back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the XX Revolution VORTEXX palette. So it looks like this. This is one of the palettes that I featured in my Revolution haul. I think it was last week maybe. And I cannot wait to get stuck into this. It really caught my eye on the website. The colours are just... So packaging is like this. So it's velvet. And the colours look like this. They are just beautiful, absolutely stunning. So I don't even know where to start on what I'm going to do on my eyes, but as usual I'm just going to make it up as I go along, and I'm definitely going to be putting some of those blues in. So if you want to watch that, then please stay tuned. Fuel. So I absolutely love this like cobalt blue here, so I'm definitely going to use that maybe on my outer corner because it's obviously quite a dark colour. I also really like this bronzy shade, but then I like this blue one above it. Let's swatch them two and see what they're like. Oh, hello. Oh my god, look at that. That's insane. I really like that one as well, but I think I'm going to go with that. And maybe use some of these blues. Oh, I don't know. Right, so the first one I'm going to use is this shade here. I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. And then in my crease, I'm going to go in with this one here. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. Right, okay, so just above that colour, I'm going to go in with this one here in the middle, so it's slightly lighter than that one. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds. Okay, right, so on the outer corner here, I'm going to go in with that nice cobalt colour, so this one here. That is a really nice colour, but oh my god, the fallout. Can you see all that? I've tried to brush it off and I've ended up with a blue face. Oh man, this is definitely the kind of palette that you need to do your eyes first. Although I have to say, so far the colours and the pigment and the blend are really good, but the fallout, it was just that colour though. I think it's because it's got a little bit of shimmer in it. It's not like loads of shimmer, but just that little bit has made me, yeah, get a fair bit of fallout. I think when I do that eye, I'm going to put a pad underneath. Oh lordy, my base looks so nice as well. Never mind. Right, so on the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go in with that goldy bronzy shade that I showed you. So this one here.
Another broken plate. Another called off date, we never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor,
Oh, that's nice. Really, really nice. Minimal effort as well. And that went on pretty good actually with the brush and my finger. I tried both and yeah, like that. Right, so underneath I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to do the dark blue, and then yeah, and then use the shade that I used on my crease on the inner.
you make me lose my mind.
Yeah, that's really nice. I really like this palette. So inner corners and just under my brow bone, I'm going to go in with this one here in the corner. It's kind of like a champagne-y shade. Yeah, I'm really liking this, apart from the fallout, but I reckon if you did your eyes first, that wouldn't be an issue, would it? Because you just do your base after, not like me. Right, so I'm just going to clean this up, pop some lashes on and lippy, and then I will be back. So here is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I really, really love it. The colours in this palette are so nice. Really pigmented, they blend really nice. The only downfall that I would say is the fallout on that blue, but with it being a shimmer, well, a very subtle shimmer, that's probably the reason why, because I didn't get that issue with the matte colours. So yeah, absolutely love these colours, love this palette. I can't say any more than that. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this shimmer on the inside as well. I mean, I love blues anyway, and even though it was a bit of a mess, I absolutely love this blue on the outer corner. But this shimmer, it was minimal effort, and the colour payoff is just insane. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it, it'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!